Pop Pop's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks, right here side the highway. You know we love it. This is swarm catch number 21. This come from the church yesterday. We're trying to keep the bees from going back into church until they get it all closed up. So they moved in yesterday afternoon. Goodness gracious. Some comb drawing girls. Let's see the other side. Oh yeah, they're drawing comb. Lady with the church called me yesterday. She said, come get your kids. They're hanging on the front of the box. Look at that. That swarm moved in yesterday. Already got started on that pretty good. There's a lot. Good gracious at the bees in the bottom of that box, folks. This is a gorgeous swarm.
This is from in the city limits.
This is inside the city of New Bern. There's the queen right there.
Big old pretty girl.
Big old pretty queen. I can't tell if I'm getting it. Really?
Right in the field.
Right, yeah. We got a select going on. I guess they were watching the bees. That was very intelligent.
Queen in the box.
Queen's in the box. Put him in so I can go check on this person and see. I'm gonna leave him installing bees and I'm gonna go check these folks out and see what's going on.
Never a dull moment, folks. Reorchestrate some of these frames a little bit. Give me an open spot to dump back. Got them bees in there. Alright, folks. That frame to the middle. That frame to the middle. Got these frames all over. Too long to run. Smoke too much. Alright, so the car, guy's alright. Said he needed to pull over and take care of some work stuff, and he took it to the extreme. He's already bumped him. I missed it. Woo! I think I got it where they can see it.
Pop Pop's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. He's gonna wait on the record. Y'all have a good day.